Wagwan, welcome to the channel. I'm Levine, and I'm a beginner gardener growing in Zone 9B, Houston, Texas. Welcome back to the backyard. Work in progress. As you can see, it's cloudy here. More rain last night. I don't have to water my garden. Let me show you what's going on. And I have these seeds in here. I'm assuming they're from that plant. I had a flower in here that died, and these popped up all over this pocket. And the same for this same plant, same kind of plant, same looking seeds, sprouts. So I'm hoping it's a flower. There goes the snail, that little black dot. Yeah. I'm going to put some DE, diatomaceous earth. I'm going to sprinkle that on top of the soil once I've finished planting out everything. I don't know what these are. These might be weeds. This look like a weed. I need to pull. My citrus trees are getting even more rainwater. They look a little bit droopy from all the beating from the rain, but I'm sure they'll be fine. Yes. Blossoms. So I went to the garden center and I purchased these marigolds. I put one with each tomato plant. I'm amazed at how fast this is growing. I really am. So I have one marigold, French marigold in there, one French marigold in here. I put them in here because Google says marigolds, French marigolds specifically, are good at repelling pests that love tomato plants. So I'm trying to help out my tomato plant. I need to harvest these. They're doing really well. All this rain. Yes. Smoothies, here I come. Lots of growth. Very nice. Look at the snail. You're going in there to eat up my veggies. Let me find something to take it off. Okay, and I'm back. More snails. Lord have mercy. More snails. They just started growing back. I need to pick this. Look how big and fluffy that is. These are my hydroponics. Look how nicely they're doing. Very nice. It's going to feed me. Yes. I look at the blueberries every day just to see what it's doing while I wait on the fertilizer to get here. Ants. The good thing is it's in my grass and not in the garden bed. I can put regular ant treatment here versus in there. So I'm going to go ahead and treat this. It looks like another one right here. So I'll go ahead and treat those today. It's beginning to drizzle, so I was going to put diatomaceous earth in here, but it's still raining, so I'll have to wait. Yeah, look at them. They started in this bed too. Like I said, I think I posted before that they started in this bed. Came out of that bed, now they're in here. I'm still going to plant what I plan to plant. I can't deal with, I can't let these ants stop me. Okay. All right. Nice. Look, rainwater. Rainwater is the best. It really is. It really is the best. Look at that. I see the growth. Amazing growth. Hmm? My citrus benefiting from the rainwater also. See, caught some here. I need to harvest that. And this. Not the snail. But I need to harvest this rainwater somewhere. Blossoms. How pretty. So yeah, I've been taking it easy since it's raining like crazy. I'm taking advantage of the rain and just staying inside. Strawberry plants are doing okay. I still have way too many snails. So I need to, see, diatomaceous earth. I really need it. Might have to run to the, I might have to run to Ace Hardware or Tractor Supply and get some diatomaceous earth because I'm low on it and I see I'm going to need a lot more. I'm going to need a lot more of it with these ants and snails. Coming along. There's in there. And I need to get straw to put in here. So I might go to Tractor Supply. I don't know if Ace Hardware sells straw, but I know Tractor Supply does. So I'm gonna go there, just make one stop. Onions are looking good. Even my little transplant is looking good. That's pretty much it for the backyard. HEB has all of these for $175. A whole lot of sweet peppers, hot peppers, and tomatoes. This is my purchase from Lowe's. I used 2 out of there. It's in my tomato plant. While I had the husband driving me around, I picked up a few plants from HEB. See, I got the HEB sign. I got baby patio eggplant. I got 2 of those. And I'm like, ooh, cayenne. I like cayenne. Let me see if I can grow it. So I have 2 cayenne peppers. So I need to research. I read the label on the back because they come with some information on the back. So I did look at especially for this baby patio. I'm like, ugh, I don't know. Uh, Last time I grew eggplants, it was in my green stock, and the root system, yeah, terrible. So I'm like, okay, maybe the baby patio, that one might work. Not in the green stock. Not put it back in there. So not in there. Maybe I can get it to grow in my Easy Cube, or these containers that I got for from Costco. This container, this black container, is what my citrus trees were in. Of course, I kept all four of them. I washed them, and now I just have soil. I'm keeping soil in there. A little bit of soil I had left over is in there. So I'm like, okay, I can put the baby patio eggplants in here. That should work. I have four of these. I can do two of these with the cayenne and two with the eggplant. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So these are my purchase. Wasn't too bad. I didn't go too crazy with the starts. They had a lot of pepper plants there. They had a lot of pepper plants and a lot of tomato plants. But they also had cucumber and a few varieties of eggplants. These were $1.75, which is better than the Houston Garden Center where I paid $1.99 per plant. HEB had these for $1.75. So I thought that was a good deal. So I just got these four. I wish they had basil. I wish they had basil there, but they didn't have any. Because this basil cost me $6.